While we recommend a replacement cycle of 3 to 5 years for workstations, we're not suggesting that the system is done with at that point. Just that CAD and CAE users are typically amongst the most demanding users who will benefit most from an upgrade. After all, we've been talking a lot about sustainability. The great thing is these systems have a level of performance and durability that means that they will often perform well for many years for another user in the business with less performance demands. Or, alternatively, you can take advantage of Dell's asset recovery services, where devices from any manufacturer can be returned, where they will be securely wiped, before then ideally being repurposed. Or, if of no value, the device will be recycled. Now, the all-important performance benchmarking. How will portability affect performance for a variety of workloads? We'll be putting the Precision 5680 up against the high-end 17-inch Precision 7750 laptop from 2020. We do plan to come back to testing the Precision 5480, however unfortunately we didn't have a competitive specification of the 5480 at the time of filming. Starting then with core CAD performance. Opening the complex assembly of the Nemo submarine fully resolved takes just over 2 minutes to open on the Precision 7750 from 2020. Whereas the new Precision 5680 16-inch laptop with a comparable i7 CPU, it takes just 1 minute and 29 seconds on average to open. Cutting over 30 seconds is a great improvement for a task that won't take advantage of more than 1 or 2 cores. These performance improvements held true for other core CAD tasks such as part rebuild and were remarkably close to the top of the range Precision 7000 series, which were between 5 and 10 seconds faster for the same task. For more multi-threaded CAE tasks such as simulation and flow simulation, the progress over the last few years is also apparent. For a static simulation, the 3-year-old high-end Precision 7750 takes nearly 7 minutes to complete our example static simulation study, whereas the Precision 5680 takes just under 4 minutes for the same simulation, over 40% faster. And for the most heavily multi-threaded tasks, such as this complex flow simulation, the improvement is even more impressive. What takes over 1 hour and 50 minutes on the 3-year-old laptop with a 6-core i7 takes less than half that time at just over 50 minutes on the Precision 5680 with its 14-core i7. And for those comparing with the Precision 3000 series, when compared with a Precision 3581 featuring the same CPU, the Precision 5680 with its advanced cooling was able to deliver results of between 5 and 10% faster for sustained tasks. Despite this impressive result, it is worth noting that the slightly larger and heavier 7000 series Precision laptops will still deliver best performance for simulation tasks. With support for Intel's HX series CPUs and up to 24 cores available in both the 7680 16-inch and 7780 17-inch laptops. That same simulation on the 20-core i7 HX CPU of the 16-inch 7680 took just under 42 minutes. And with pricing being similar, it's a case of where your priorities lie, portability or ultimate performance. To test the graphical power, we ran an automated rotation test using the same complex Nemo dataset at Full HD with real view graphics and shaded with edges mode enabled. The 3-year 7750 with the Quadro RTX 3000 6GB graphic card sets a benchmark at just 23 frames per second. However, the progress in graphics means that even the 5680 with an Nvidia RTX 3500 Ada managed around 60 frames per second. That is impressive progress that Nvidia have made over the past couple of generations, almost 3 times the performance, which is particularly impressive given this power is available in such a compact form factor. For these test results were broadly similar to the Precision 7000 series with the same graphics card model. Next to SolidWorks Visualize, which is optimised for Nvidia graphics cards, with the latest graphics cards having dedicated cores for ray tracing and also to assist with AI-based image denoising. Previous generations of the Precision 5000 series 15.6-inch laptops weren't ideal for rendering, with graphics support maxing out at 2000 series graphics cards with a lower power limit due to cooling and power limitations. The 7750 we are testing against features a graphics card from the first generation with these features, the Quadro RTX 3000 6GB graphics card. This puts in a creditable result, taking just over 4 minutes and 36 seconds to render this 4K scene with 500 passes. The new Precision 5680 with the equivalent 12GB RTX 3500 Ada generation graphics takes less than half that time at just 1 minute and 58 seconds. This sort of performance is what we would expect from a high-end desktop from the previous generation, let alone a thin and light laptop. It is, however, worth noting that this was about 10% slower than the higher spec but larger and heavier Precision 7680, which can sustain higher power limits for sustained tasks such as rendering. The Precision 5000 series is a great choice for users whom portability is king. The high-grade materials make them well suited for those travelling frequently between locations with their laptops. Sitting in the middle of the range, the performance is about what you would expect, a step up from the 3000 series with the higher spec cooling giving a boost on both the 5480 and the 5680. We have to place this in context, however. For a lot of workstations, this sort of power would have only been available in a desktop workstation just a few years ago. So for many, the Precision 5000 series will be all the power they need, with the added benefit of being highly portable.